Okay, it is time for part two. Part two, rotating objects, we'll be doing it directly by dragging. So let's go back to our object and we're going to do an X rotation. And let's turn this around a little bit. You can see this little guy. And I'm going to zoom out a little bit. So when you click the arc here for X rotation, you can drag inside the arc. Or we can go out, we can go up a little bit and start dragging outside the arc. And you see the numbers follow us. So if I want to go 60 degrees, so this is 60 degrees right here. And I can undo that. And let's go negative 60. Let's see. Click and drag the arc. And that's back there, that's negative 60. Oops. I was trying to get that negative 60. Yeah, I just passed it. Okay. There we go, negative 60. And there's negative 60. Now, there are a couple ways to drag this. You can drag, when you drag the arc, you can drag inside down here. When you drag inside, you can get all the decimals, like 0.5 decimals. If I were to drag a little higher outside of that little circle, you see there's no decimals or no 0.5s in there. So if you need 0.5s, you drag down closer to the object inside the arc here, and you can get your 0.5s. If you don't need decimals or the 0.5s, you go here and you drag outside of this little arc. Okay, so that was an X rotation. Now let's demonstrate a Y rotation. Let's click the object. Now, where do we find the Y? Y is in the back. Why is Y in the back? I don't know why Y is in the back, but Y is in the back. Okay, let's click the arc and click and drag. And I'm going to extend up here so I can get and here's negative 60 here. And I would go over here. Here's positive 60 degree turn. There we go, positive 60. Undo it. Okay, and finally we're going to do a Z. So Z is down here at the bottom. Z is always on the plane, Z plane, Dragon Ball Z plane. So I click and then I can drag. I can stay in the arc here and drag, but I get all those decimals, 0.5s. But I can go out here and start rotating from out here, and no 0.5s, no decimals. And you can turn all around here, 180 degrees. Well, that's a negative 180. Let's go the other way, and this will be okay. Still negative. Okay, it's positive, positive, positive. Okay, that's a positive 180. As I thought it was. Okay, let's drag it back here, and that's the demonstration of the three methods of rotation across X, Y, and Z for dragging.